I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Maserati Quattroporte V6 versus V8. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which model best suits your needs. The V6 engine, often found in the Quattroporte Modena, delivers impressive power for its class. It's known for its responsive acceleration and a satisfying exhaust note, making it a great choice for both city driving and highway cruising. Now let's talk about the V8. The Quattroporte Trofeo, for example, features a powerful V8 engine that truly elevates the driving experience. This engine is engineered for those who crave raw power and exceptional speed. Its robust output ensures breathtaking acceleration and a more aggressive exhaust sound, perfect for performance enthusiasts seeking an adrenaline rush. When it comes to the driving experience, the V6 offers a refined balance of comfort and sportiness, making it ideal for everyday luxury. The V8, however, provides a more visceral and engaging drive, emphasizing pure performance. Considering ownership, the V6 typically presents a more economical option, with lower initial costs and potentially better fuel efficiency over time. So which Quattroporte is better for you? If you value a harmonious blend of luxury, strong performance, and reasonable running costs, the V6 is an excellent choice. But if you demand the pinnacle of power, an exhilarating driving experience, and a more aggressive character, the V8 will undoubtedly satisfy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Your perfect Maserati awaits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.